Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So something very, very different today, and something I've been wanting to do for a while was go through some of my favourite coin designs, some of my favourite Australian coin designs, essentially. And these are all decimal coins, and I just wanted to go through them and just have a little closer look at some of them as we move through. My favourite one is not actually in front of us right now, but I will show you that toward the end of the video. So these are in no particular order at all, but this has always been one of my favourites, and it's the see the coin here. So it's the 1984 to 1994, and we'll have a closer look at this. But if you look at the detail of these notes, and it's all about detail for me. So we can see the changing over from being a $1 note into a dollar coin. So in 1984 is when that happened, and this is the 10-year anniversary of the $1 coin. So just the detail that they've gone to, and this one here is an S-Mint marked coin, as you can see on the bottom left there. And just looking at the detail of the way that the note's starting to crumple up and turn into that coin as such, the way that they've messed around with the word Australia, and it's I just think it's a great little design, and very intricate, and intricate's going to be a key word with the coins that I like. We've recently had a look at the $2 coin in a video recently, and this Mosaic design and just the colour that just pops straight out at you is the reason why I absolutely love the 2017 $2 coin, probably the most out of all the $2 coins. These coins, it doesn't come down to what they're valued at or how rare they are. It's more about just purely what I like, and you guys will like different coins. You may like some of these coins, but this has always been a favourite, and it's not necessarily because of the design. It's just something that stood out to me, and yes, it is intricate, and what it represents, being the 25 years of decimal currency, but it's just it goes back to the past when we had shillings with ram's heads and those kind of things, and it certainly captures all of that, and this one as well. Like this one here being the bicentenary coin, 1788 to 1988, so the 200-year anniversary, and just the detail on this particular coin. So it's a circulating coin with the ship there, and obviously Australia being New Holland originally. It's just a great design, and they fit a lot on this coin in a small space. So yeah, it's always been one of my favourite ones, and certainly as a kid, this was one of the coins that sort of captured my sort of first sort of look at coins and coin collecting as a child. So I just grabbed another dollar coin out, which I like the design as well, and this is the ANZAC centenary coin. Now this is a C-mint marked coin, so not technically meant for circulation, same as that 1984 to $94 coin, but once again, just the detail in the background as you look at the cove in the background there, and the cross, and the soldiers paying their respects. But yeah, it's a nice design. So I've got three coins relating to Canberra, and I think probably this is my favourite one as far as Canberra goes, and just the intricate design of the layout of that town, or really that city, and yeah, as I said, the detail, the intricacies involved in designing this coin is something that stood out to me. I'm not a lover of basic design, I suppose, is probably where I'm getting. This is the 2001 Federation coin for the ACT and Parliament House, first and foremost there, and that's really what we think about when we think of the ACT. The Queensland one is certainly my favourite of the Federation coins, and I love the footprints, the different levels of this coin. What do you guys reckon? Even the way that the 20 is written there, it's just a flowing 20, and I don't even understand all that's on this coin, especially like on the right, here, what's going on there. I have no idea, but it's very intricate, and this area here, I'm not sure what's going on. It sort of looks mechanical even. And then the footprints, obviously walking on the beach and those kind of things, and the Aboriginal culture coming in here with the dots, and it's a well-designed coin that sort of steps its way around, and it's just one of those ones that is just really appealing to me. So the $5 coin doesn't get a whole heap of love, this particular coin. So this is from 1988, and we can see there the Parliament House as it sits on the hill, and the other buildings in the background. But see if we can zoom in a bit further and just have a look at that detail a little bit closer up. It's just great when you look at these coins and just shine light on them in different angles and just see exactly what's going on. But the amount of work that's gone into creating these beautiful masterpieces, and it's artwork, it really is. So that's why I've included this particular coin in the mix. Now, my favourite coin up until recently, so this is one that I bought purely because I love the design, and so this particular one is the 2015 the Royal Collection, so longest reigning Commonwealth monarch. So that's what this coin represents. Now try and focus in a bit on this, but look at the detail there. It's just a beautiful. That's probably a good spot to hold it there. You can just see all the floral, a wreath, I suppose, going on there, and the 50 years. So longest reigning Commonwealth monarch, and it's just it's just a beautiful coin. So mintage is 50,000 of this particular one. And I have no idea what it's worth these days. It probably hasn't changed that much in value, but that's not the purpose of buying this particular one. And I did actually get to meet the designer one day at an event in Melbourne, and she had this particular design up on her screen, and I did mention to her that it is my favourite coin design. But that's changed recently, and the reason why it's changed is because I have shown this particular coin, but the 2019 mint set. Now, I'll focus in on that 5-cent coin, and I really wish this 5-cent coin was one that was actually being circulated. But this particular coin, look at the design of that, the depth of it, and everything that's going on within it, and that footprint is absolutely awesome. So the craters on the moon there, and I just think it's an absolutely beautiful coin, and something that I would love to have seen in circulation as a commemorative 5-cent piece. but unfortunately it's stuck in this set, and that's probably the way it's going to stay. Yeah, if get your hands on one of these 2019 uncirculated year sets, and you'll be able to have one of those coins for yourself. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed a look at what my favourite coins are and the reason why I love them. Please leave a comment letting me know what you guys like. I'd love to hear what you do like and what you don't like. We did recently have a giveaway where you told me about what your favourite coins were, so that's why I thought, look, I'll show you what some of my favourite coins are. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon.